Maybe not. Maybe not.
We might run into people here.
Mm.
Let's take the right side.
Yep.
No point in running through the ambush spot.
Yeah. Nasty choke.
Tempted to check the hill here. Wait. Oh, it's just striders. Fuck.
Yeah, I know. They sound a lot like. Nope.
Yep. Okay, come up to the hill. Get to a position
Yes.
where they can't push us very easily. It sounds like they're coming through that side entrance.
Yeah. Probably. See if they do
Yep.
pop through. Yep.
195 going up the stairs. If he's
Right, let's wait till he settles inside.
if he opens a bin or something.
Okay, get ready.
Now.
Go.
Got him.
Nice.